So this Kawasaki Vulcan 800 motor was completely trashed. This is all that's left of the piston. There's pieces of it in the exhaust, pieces of it down in the exhaust port, pieces of it everywhere. A whole lot of it's down in the crankcase here. Pieces of ring down there, pieces of piston, pieces of oil control ring. So basically, in order for this motor to be salvageable, it would have to be completely gone through, all the seals taken apart. The whole thing would have to be cleaned out.